Hello everyone. So here's the fifth question of exercise 3.1 of matrices chapter 3. Fifth question. Construct a 3x4 matrix whose elements are given by first sub question. Aij is equals to 1 by 2 mod minus 3i plus j. Okay. So we need to construct a 3 cross 4 matrix here. 3 cross 4 means there should be 3 rows and 4 columns, right? How the 3 rows and 4 columns matrix will be? A11, A12, A13, A14, A21, A22, A23, A24, A31, A32, A33, A34, right? 3 rows, 4 columns, right? Now we need to find all elements in 3 cross 4 matrix by using Aij is equals to half mod 3i plus j. Clear? Now A11 is equal to 1 by 2 minus 3. In the place of I we have 1 plus 1, right? 1 by 2 minus 3 plus 1, 1 by 2 mod minus 2, so it becomes 1 by 2 plus 2 because minus should not be considered. So it will be 1. Okay, like that itself A12 is equals to 1 by 2 minus 3, 1 is I and here j is 2, right? So 1 by 2 minus 3 plus 2 minus 1, it becomes plus 1, 1 by 2. Okay, then A13 half minus 3, 1 plus 3 half, 3 into 1 minus 3 plus 3, it becomes 0 is 0, half into 0 is 0. Then A14 is half minus 3, 1 plus 4 half minus 3 plus 1 becomes 1 by 2. Okay, see, like that itself in the same form you need to find A21, A22, A23 and so on up to A34. Find it yourself. After finding all the terms in this manner you need to find. Okay, after finding you will get 1, 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 2, 5 by 2, 2, 3 by 2, 1, 4, 7 by 2, 3, 5 by 2 will be a 3 cross 4 matrix A. Okay, try it yourself. Finally we will get the required answer. So here is the second sub question. Aij is equal to 2i minus j. In the same manner now we need to construct a 3 cross 4 matrix. Now find A11. 2, 1, minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. A12, 2 into 1 minus 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Next A13, 2 into 1 minus 3. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Then A14, 2 into 1 minus 4 is 2 minus 4 minus 2. Like that itself find A21, A22, A23, A24, A31, A32, A33 and A34. After finding you will get 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2. I have found this. You find the remaining terms. Okay, 3, 2, 1, 0, 5, 4, 3, 2 is your required 3 cross 4 matrix A. Okay, now let's move to the sixth question. Here is the sixth question. Find the values of x comma y and z from the following equations. First is 4 3 x 5 is equals to matrix y z 1 5. Okay, here this is equivalent because 2 cross 2. This is also 2 cross 2. 2 rows, 2 columns are there and it is equivalent, right? So here 4 is there, here 1 is there. So y is equals to 4. We found y. Okay. Then z is equal to 3. Here in the A12 place and in this matrix A12 place we have z is equals to 3. We even got z is equals to 3. Then in A21 place of this matrix and A21 place of this matrix is equal, that is x is equals to 1. We obtain x, y and z. Clear? Next, like that itself, second one, x plus y. See, this is also 2 cross 2 matrix and this is also 2 cross 2 matrix. Clear? Here x plus y is equal to 6 and 5 plus z is equals to 5. xy is equals to 8. Okay, take x is equals to 8 by y for this. Okay, then here substitute, x plus y is equals to 6. Substitute x here, 8 plus y is equals to 6. Then after taking LCM, 8 plus y square 6y, right? 6y plus y square minus 6y. When I take it to the LHS side, it becomes minus 6y and plus 8 remaining. Okay, now after factorization I can take 4 2s are 8, right? 4 2s are 8, right? Minus 4y minus 2y. When I add this, I'll get minus 6y, right? I think you all know factorization method. So y is common here, y minus 4, minus 2 is common here, y minus 4 I'll get. Then y minus 4, y minus 2. Then y is equals to 4 and y is equals to 2. We got 2 y's, right? Now we need to find y. X is equals to 8 by 4 once you take, x is equals to 2, and when I take y is equals to 2, I will get 4. Now we have x is equals to 2 and x is equals to 4. Okay, 2 terms we have. Now for y we got y is equals to 4 and y is equals to 2. Z is 0, right? 5 minus 5, 0. Okay, then next question. See, x plus y plus z is equal to 9, y plus z is equals to 5, y plus z is equal to 7. 3 rows 1 column, 3 rows 1 column. So this is a 3 cross 1 matrix, right? So x plus y plus z is equals to 9, y plus z is equals to 5, and this is x plus z. Okay, x. Now y plus z is equals to 7. See, this y plus z is 7, right? Here in the equation 1, consider this as equation 1, 2 and 3. In the equation 1, in the place of y plus z, I can write 7, right? So x is equals to 9 minus 7, 2. X is equals to 2, right? So in the second equation, if I put x is equals to 2 in the second equation, z is equals to 5 minus 2, 3. Z is equals to 3. And Now when I put z is equals to 3 in the third equation, y plus 3 is equals to 7. 7 minus 3 is what? 4, right? Y is equals to 4. Now we got x, z, x, y and z, right? Now 7th question. Find the value of a, b, c and d from the equations from the following one. A minus b, 2a plus c, 2a minus b, 3c plus d, minus 1, 5, 0, 13. Now equate it. A minus b is equals to minus 1, 2a plus c is equals to 5, 2a minus b is equals to 0, 3c plus d is equals to 13. Okay. Now consider this as equation 1, 2, 3 and 4. See equation 3. By equation 3, 2a is equals to b, right? 2a is equals to b. Correct? Now when I put 2a is equals to b in the equation 1, in the place of b I will put 2a is equals to minus 1. Then minus a it will come, right? Is equals to minus 1, minus minus get cancelled, a is equals to 1. Now we got a is equals to 1. Now when I put a is equals to a equal to 1 in this form, 2 into 1 is equals to b, then I will get b is equals to 2, right? Now I got a and b. Now put a in equation 2. So 2 into 1 plus c is equals to 5. C is equals to 5 minus 2. C is equals to 3. We got even a, b and also c. Now put c in the equation 4. 3 into 3 plus d 13. 3 3s are 9 plus d 13. So d is equals to 4. A is 1, B is 2, C is 3 and D is 4. Now we got all A, B, C and D from these equations. Clear?